Hello guys, this is JT here, and today we're going to be making 2 chicken patties. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, let's get these out. Let's get 2 paper plates. Let's get the chicken patty out. Put it, and well, we're just gonna make 1 chicken patty instead. Let's go ahead and put it in the microwave. Hit time cook. 200 start. Let's go ahead and put these in. And we're gonna wait for them to get done. Okay, they're done. Now let's take these out. Put this on top. Let's put these in. Put the patty on top. Okay, now I'm done making that. Now let's put it on the glass plate. Now let's take it up to the table. Okay. Now let's quietly eat. Okay, now I'm done eating. Now let's put them in the sink. Okay. Now